Earthquake. Oh, right in here in Oklahoma.
Oh my goodness.
Turn the light. Oh my God.
Earthquake or it's a ghost.
It's not a ghost.
Stop it.
Oh my gosh, I was sitting in my bed, my whole room. I have these hubcaps on my door, and the hubcaps started falling off. Oh, the lights went out. I was just listening to the earthquake on the news. God.
Oh my gosh, that scared me again. I was trying to get out.
What's happening? I was serious.
Well, we'll find out more about this particular earthquake as we believe it to be, and let you know what we find out. Well, even with their instruments, the Oklahoma Geological Survey wants to know what you felt and saw about last night. Where is he going in this box?
No, I can feel it.
Oh my gosh, I've never felt an earthquake.
Turn off the air.
I tried to wake up Ashley. I didn't wake her up. What happened?
Turn it up or something.
Up?
I think it's over. We just had another earthquake.
Oh my
No.
God,
There's still some.
sit down, you'll feel it.
Still going.
I still feel it.
We just had one last night at about 2:15 in the morning.
Oh my God.
They said it might be some afterstate.
That's not an aftershock. It would have been like
Look, I still feel it.
hours ago.
Sit down, you'll feel it.